can see 12,000 amount has been debited from your bank statement. So how to make the payment entry directly from the bank reconciliation form? So for doing the payment entry, click on the action button. You just need to click on the new payment collection option. Herein you can see party type has been selected as supplier, and here you can see select your party. So let us select one of the party and just need to click on the submit option. So on submitting, you will be redirected to the payment entry form wherein you can see in this case all the details has been pre-filled. So you just need to directly go to the add outstanding section and you just need to select the invoice against which you have made the payment to the Domes Fabric Private Limited. So click on add invoice. Your invoices have been added, and after adding the invoice you just need to click on the allocate payment amount. After allocating the payment, you can see here your reference number has been pre-filled and the reference date has also been pre-filled. You just need to click on the save button. After saving, you just need to click on the submit button. So your entry has been submitted. If you want to see the accounting entry which the system has passed, you just need to click on the ledger option wherein you can see the payment entry which the system has passed. Again, coming back to the payment entry form page, herein you can see the entry has been reconciled. Also, if you go back to the bank reconciliation form page and you just need to click on the refresh option wherein you can see that transaction has been disappeared as the entry has been reconciled. Again, coming back to the payment entry form, you can see here the print of your payment entry. Also, you can select the customer vendor copy print here and you can just send the payment advice to your vendor that you have made this payment on this date against the invoice number to your vendor. Again, coming back to the bank reconciliation form page, if you have made any payment for the indirect expenses such as food and refreshment expenses, stationery expenses. So in that case, how to do the entry? Suppose your rupees 190 rupees you have made to you have spent it on the food. So you can directly click on the action button and you just need to click on the bank entry option. Bank entry option is for those payment which you made for your indirect expenses. In that, in case of bank entry, wherein any customer vendor is not involved and you are making any payment, small amount of payments. So in that case, you need to select the bank entry option. Also, in case of if you have received any income amount, any receipt regarding the TDS refund or IGST refund, any refund amount in which party is not involved, that is any customer or supplier is not involved, so for such cases you need to make the bank entry. So again, for 190 rupees we have spent it on food, so for that we are going to the action button and we are clicking on the new bank entry option. So click on the submit. So on submitting, you will be redirected to the general entry form and herein you can select the entry type as bank entry and the posting date and all the details has been pre-filled as we are making the entry directly from the reconciliation form. So here you can directly add your expense account as we have made the as we have spended the amount on the food and refreshment expenses. So select that account and you just need to click on the make difference entry. So the debit amount has been pre-filled. Herein you can select enter the reference number and you just need to click on the save and submit button to finally submit the entry. So herein you can see the entry has been submitted and also it has been reconciled. Also, if you want to see the accounting entry the system has passed, you again need to click on the ledger option and you can see the entry which the system has passed. So again, coming back to the entry, So if we go back to the bank reconciliation form page and we click on the refresh option, you can see the entry has been disappeared.